Did you know you can yo-yo in space? In 2012, NASA astronaut Don Pettit took a yo-yo on board the International Space Station and demonstrated several tricks. It works because a yo-yo mainly relies on the laws of conservation of angular momentum to perform tricks, which, provided you keep the string taut, apply in microgravity too. That not only plants has a photosynthesis, algae, which are not plants, and some other organisms, including sea slugs and pea aphids, contain chlorophyll and can also take sunlight and turn it into an energy source. You can be heavily pregnant and not realize. Cryptic pregnancies aren't that uncommon, with 1 in 500 not recognized until at least halfway through and 1 in 2,500 not known until labor starts. That bacteria on your skin cause your itches. Specifically, bacteria known as Staphylococcus aureus can release a chemical that activates a protein in our nerves. This sends a signal from our skin to our brains, which our brain perceives as an itch. That starfish don't have bodies. Along with other echinoderms, think sea urchins and sand dollars, their entire bodies are technically classed as heads. That somebody has been constipated for 45 days. In 2013, an unfortunate Indian woman had to undergo surgical removal of a fecal mass as large as a football. You travel 2.5 million km a day around the sun without realizing. The Earth's orbit travels around 2.5 million kilometers with respect to the sun's center, and around 19 million km with respect to the center of the Milky Way. Fish form orderly queues in emergencies. When evacuating through narrow spaces in sketchy situations, schools of non-tetrafish queue so that they don't collide or clog up the line. Scientists interpreted this behavior as showing that fish can respect social rules even in emergency situations. Unlike us humans, there are more bacterial cells in your body than human cells. The average human is around 56% bacteria. This was discovered in a 2016 study and is far less than the earlier estimates of 90%. As bacteria are so light, however, by weight, each person is over 99.7% human. Most ginger cats are male. There are roughly 3 ginger male cats to 1 ginger female. This is because the ginger gene is found on the X chromosome, meaning female cats would require 2 copies of the gene to become ginger whilst males only need 1.